Are you considering installing a fire alarm system? Maybe you have already worked with a Bosch one. Over the next 2 minutes, you'll find out how to make your fire alarm system future-proof with the new AVENAR panels 2000 and 8000 from Bosch. During the development, Bosch drew on valuable market feedback and various customer wishes. The result? A new generation of panel controllers combining evolutionary appearance with revolutionary technology. What does that mean for you? 2 new fire alarm panels with a proven modular concept. AVENAR Panel 2000 is compact and modular with up to 6 modules and up to 4 loops. AVENAR Panel 8000 is completely modular, meaning it can be equipped with up to 46 modules and up to 32 loops. Coming as a kit, AVENAR Panel 2000 simplifies the planning and purchasing process and will be delivered as a complete fire alarm panel. Both panels adapt perfectly to the nature and size of the facility's application. You only buy the components you really need. Bosch AVENAR panels are fully controllable, integrated, and intuitive. The graphical user interface comes with a dark design theme and brilliant colors to highlight alarms and events. eMatrix provides clear feedback and displays the status of every evacuation zone as well as fire protection equipment. On top of that, Bosch AVENAR panels are efficiently networked using one common panel network for AVENAR Panel 2000, AVENAR Panel 8000, and the Bosch Modular Fire Panel 5000 series. With a Bosch fire alarm system, your equipment retains its value because new Bosch systems communicate with legacy systems. This safeguards your previous investments as technology continues to evolve. In short, the Bosch AVENAR fire alarm panels fulfill future's demands, already today. So, make your fire alarm system a completely modular, fully controllable, voice alarm integrating, remotely serviceable, efficiently networked, future-proof fire alarm system with Bosch AVENAR panels 2000 and 8000.